I'm a manager in financial services, external audit, but making the change to IS seems difficult as opportunities need someone with experience already. What is your advice?
So it was transferring to IS, was it?
He wrote IS, but he might mean a little bit more of a data-oriented role.
Got it. So I think, you know, if you're an internal audit and you're wanting to move into more data type roles and things like that, you can take a lot of your skills that you've already got from being an auditor and look for different types of roles that maybe aren't fully fledged. Let's say, you know, I don't know. Let's say I'm just going to have a guess. Like, let's say database administrator or something like that. You know, where there's a lot of expertise required. And you will actually look for different types of risk and control roles that sit within those sort of IT departments, etc. And I think that's almost what I call the get your foot in the door, and let people meet you, experience what you can do, and then you can spend more time getting closer to other roles that maybe you don't have the technical skill set or the certifications, etc.